In this video, you'll learn how to change the phone number associated with your Binance account. By following these steps, you will ensure that your account remains secure while updating your contact information. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and select Security from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the security settings page where you can manage various security features, including your phone number. On the security settings page, look for the option labeled Phone Number or SMS Verification. Here, you will see your currently linked phone number. Before proceeding, verify that you can access the email associated with your account, as any changes will require email verification. This preparation is essential to ensure a smooth update process. Next, request the phone number change by selecting the appropriate option within the security settings. After initiating this request, you will need to complete the verification process, which typically involves confirming your identity through email and device verification. Once verified, accurately enter your new phone number into the designated field. After entering the new number, a verification code will be sent to that number. You must enter this code to confirm the change. Be cautious when entering your information. Avoid making multiple attempts to enter the verification code, as this may lead to a temporary lockout of your account. Follow all on-screen instructions carefully to ensure that the new contact details are updated without any issues. After successfully entering the verification code, return to the security settings to confirm that your phone number has been updated. If SMS verification is enabled, you can test it by sending a test message to the new number. Additionally, consider updating any backup security options, such as security questions or backup email addresses, to enhance your account's protection. Save all changes, and if prompted, log out to finalize the process. If you encounter any difficulties, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.